Are hot flashes, sleepless nights, and unpredictable mood swings disrupting your life? Menopause Relief Therapy is here to guide you through this transition naturally. With the right strategies, you can restore balance and well-being during menopause. Here's an in-depth guide to understanding menopause and managing its symptoms naturally. Understanding menopause, what's happening in your body. Menopause brings significant hormonal changes that trigger a variety of symptoms. Let's break down what's happening inside your body. Estrogen decline. Estrogen regulates functions like temperature control, mood, and metabolism. As estrogen levels drop, you may experience hot flashes, mood swings, and night sweats. Progesterone and testosterone reduction. These hormones also decrease, leading to low energy, mood changes, and reduced libido. Bone and heart health risks. Lower estrogen increases the risk of osteoporosis and heart health changes. Prioritizing bone strength and cardiovascular care becomes essential. Now that you understand the changes, let's explore how to manage them naturally. Natural strategies for symptom relief. 1. Focus on a nutrient-rich diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in alleviating menopause symptoms. Here are the key foods to include for relief. Phytoestrogen-rich foods. Flax seeds, tofu, soybeans, and lentils contain plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen. These can reduce hot flashes and stabilize your mood. Calcium and vitamin D, leafy greens, almonds, and dairy support bone health. Vitamin D from fatty fish and egg yolks enhances calcium absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds reduce inflammation and support heart health. Magnesium. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, and dark chocolate ease anxiety and improve sleep. Antioxidants. Berries, green tea, and broccoli combat oxidative stress and improve skin elasticity. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can balance hormones and ease symptoms. 2. Try herbal remedies. Herbs have been trusted for centuries to support women during menopause. Here are some to consider. Black cohosh. This herb reduces hot flashes and night sweats by supporting hormone balance. Red clover. Rich in phytoestrogens, it helps alleviate hot flashes and maintain bone health. Maca root. A Peruvian herb known for boosting energy, balancing hormones, and enhancing mood. Evening primrose oil. It reduces inflammation, eases breast tenderness, and improves skin elasticity. Valerian root and passion flower. These herbs promote relaxation, better sleep, and reduced anxiety. Before starting any herbal supplements, consult your doctor to ensure they're right for you. 3. Stay active. Physical activity is a powerful tool for managing menopause symptoms. Here are exercises that are especially beneficial. Weight-bearing exercises. Walking, hiking, or dancing strengthens bones and reduces osteoporosis risk. Strength training. Bodyweight exercises maintain muscle mass, improve metabolism, and support joints. Yoga and Tai Chi. These practices enhance relaxation, reduce stress, and improve flexibility. Aerobic exercise. Swimming, cycling, or brisk walking improves heart health and reduces weight gain. Before starting a new exercise regime, speak with your doctor to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your needs. 4. Manage stress and sleep. Stress and sleep disturbances can worsen menopause symptoms. Here's how to address them naturally. Meditation and mindfulness. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can lower cortisol, ease anxiety, and improve mood. Deep breathing exercises. Slow, intentional breathing calms the mind and reduces hot flashes. Sleep hygiene. Create a calming sleep environment. Dim the lights, use lavender scents, and keep your room cool. Reduce caffeine and alcohol. Cutting back can minimize sleep disruptions and reduce hot flashes. Sleep-friendly supplements. Try chamomile tea, magnesium, or melatonin to improve sleep quality. As with all supplements, check with your doctor to ensure they're suitable for you. Menopause is a natural part of life, but the symptoms don't have to take over. By focusing on diet, herbal remedies, exercise, and stress management, you can find relief. Have you tried any of these natural approaches? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. Let Menopause Relief Therapy guide you toward a healthier, more balanced life.